Hi everybody, it's Juliet here with another package from Beebeecraft that we're going to open together. So I've taken off the outside and removed some of the tape here, but I haven't actually looked inside yet, so I'm super excited to do that. Just start. Ooh. Okay, so this is all from Beebeecraft.com, and they're actually having a big sale at the moment for they're moving their American warehouse, and so they have a 75% off clearance right now. So if I were you, if you want anything, head over there and have a look. It's only the items from their American warehouse, but they've got really good deals. I mean, their prices are really good anyway. So I don't know. Okay, this looks like pearls. I don't know what this is. I know what this is roughly. So let's have a look. Okay. Let's open this. I want to know what's in this box. If I can. Watch me stab myself. That would not be good, right? Sorry. I'm actually in my dining room today because my studio is completely covered. I'm doing something in there and everything is everywhere. So I'm filming this at my dining room table. Okay. So, okay, these I believe are cabochons. Let's have a look. Yeah. Ooh, so these are the Gemstone Cabochons, and they are all different ones. I got the teardrop shape ones, so they look to be about I would say about 18 millimeters. So that's one of them. Kind of a natural stone. And then this looks like carnelian. These are really nice. Very polished, and they look really good. Okay, here we go. This is like a turquoise looking one. Here's a tiger eye. It's got a little mark in it, but I mean, you know, they're stone, so what do you expect? What's this one? This is blue goldstone. I don't know if you can see the little sparkles in it, but it's got little specks of sparkle in it. Okay, here's a kind of soda light looking one. And then here is a pretty green, very pretty. Again, it's got a little, you know, it's got like little holes and natural. I really like that green one. Very pretty. Ooh, look at this one. Kind of a green, and it's got a flash of pink. Very pretty. Okay, looks like a pink quartz. And a moonstone, or an opalite, I guess it is. Actually, very nice. Oh, and another one. 2 of those. Oh no, this one's slightly different. Maybe one of them's moonstone and one of them's white quartz or something. I don't know. Well, this is going to keep me busy. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know if you can see how clear this one is. Like you can really see through it, but it's got pink. Oh, it's really pretty. And then we've got, oh, this is the gold sandstone one. Goldstone. It's very sparkly with little flecks of gold in it. And here's a malachite. And what else have we got? Last one is an agate of some kind. I think they call it like snowflake agate or something like that. Very cool. I like this one too. I like all of them. This is a really good value pack actually. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And these are not huge, so they're not going to be super heavy, which is great. I mean, they're actually a great size for beading around. So yeah, that's, did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 you get. 15 of those in a pack. And they seem really nice. They seem really good quality. Very heavy, nicely polished, nice shape, you know. So I'm very pleased with those. Can't wait to start using those. I'll just get these cleaned up and I'll come right back and we'll open the next thing. Okay, so I put them all back in. I really like that it comes in this nice little box and everything as well. That's really handy. Okay, this, I got this because I was curious. This is actually not a jewelry item. It's actually, so yeah, this is all from Beebeecraft, as I was saying. There you go, that's their logo. I'm sure this has tape on it somewhere, but I'm trying to find where. Oh no, maybe not. Okay. These are actually Mosaic tiles. They are little triangles of glass, so I'm going to be careful because there's quite a lot of glass dust here. And I didn't know how sharp they would be, but I actually thought it could be fun to try and bead around these if I'll probably have to do a peyote bezel. So that's a kind of purple one. You can see through them when you hold them up to the light, but I don't think the camera's gonna pick that up. The edges are a little bit sharp, which is something that you'd have to be wary of, but we've got all different colors: green, blue, purple, yellow, orange, and red that I can see. There might be, oh, there's 2 colors of blue. So there's a dark blue and there's a light blue. And they're just kind of about 1 centimeter on each side. But yeah, I'm going to attempt to do a little bezel around those and see how it works out. Like I say, I'll have to be careful because they are quite sharp because they're glass. But I love like trying stuff out and experimenting with different products and different items. So that's my plan for those. If that doesn't work out, I have got some like necklace things. I could maybe put them into little like square settings. I can try and put them in, so that's cool. I think this is just a set of pearls. These are the shell pearls, not glass pearls. So I just want to see what they're like. So I'm going to open them. maybe. That's my intention anyway. The other thing I like on their website, they have a whole ton of different shells, which I thought one day I might get some shells and see if I can make something cool with some shells, like seashells, you know. Okay, let's get into this if we can. There we go. Okay, so these, are they taped? No. Yes, I do this every time. I can't find the tape, and then I realize afterwards that they are indeed taped. So let me just cut that. Hopefully that's cut that. Okay. Okay, now this is what I was interested to see. As I showed you before, often the glass beads have an indentation. These are perfectly round. These are really great, actually. Yeah. So this is the set of shell beads. They're more expensive than glass beads are, obviously. But they are very pretty. They're quite, they seem to be good. The finish on them looks good. Yeah, can't wait to start using those. So that's going to be fun. So that's, yeah, I like those. They look really nice. It looks like you get 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm. So 3 different sizes. So that's a really useful little set there. Now this is not that, you might think, what on earth? This is a set of wooden beads. Now, as you know, I like to make very sort of glam stuff, but I wanted to get these because I want to use them as the inside of beaded beads. So we're going to be doing some beaded beads coming up soon on the channel. So that's what these are for. Okay, let's see if I can, oh, there we go. So you get 3 different sizes again, looks like 6, 8, and 10mm again, I would estimate. And you get 6 different colors of each one. So you've got your blues, your blacks, your greens, your pinks, your yellows, and your reds. And actually these look really nice. Like you could put string with these. The paint finish on them looks good. Yeah, if you're into stringing, I see no reason why you couldn't use these. They look really nice. But yeah, as I say, I'm gonna use them as the center of beaded beads. So I'm excited to use that. So that's the set of wooden beads. Again, all of this is on Beebeecraft.com. So go and check them out. And then the last thing is I got this set of bugle beads. I know a lot of people don't like bugle beads, but in the right place, I think they can be very pretty. So I have a design that I want to show you guys that has some bugle beads in it, and I was intrigued to see all the different colors in this set, and these actually look like quite nice bugle beads. Very pretty. This one has a kind of iridescent color on it. These silver ones are very pretty. They're actually all different, or maybe they're just mixed together. They're kind of a grayish, these are a grayish silver. Then you've got, ooh, this is a nice color here. It's a kind of bronze color, black, a very pretty lavender, a sort of muted reddish. This is actually a matte color. It's not shiny, it's matted, it looks like. And then, ooh, these are nice. It's a kind of, not as gold as these, a more, I don't know, more towards a rose gold. Very pretty. Some silver, which are, they look nicer than just a plain silver. It's a nice color. It actually looks like the silver galvanized beads that you get, that color of silver, but the color is on the inside. These are very pretty, like a peacock blue, and you've got a light green and a darker green. This one's more metallic and this one's more matte. Then you've got some, these whites, which are like look like ice. They're kind of slightly opaque, with a rainbow finish. And then just some plain white, then some yellow, metallic, black. Yeah, this looks like a really nice set, so I'm excited for that. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a bezel for you guys using this that I've already worked out. I'm actually just trying to work out the rest of the project. It's going to be a bracelet. So yeah, like I say, all of this, and I love that Beebeecraft, when you order, you get all these sets in these nice little storage boxes. I mean, it's great. And this is like a lifetime supply, right? I mean, you would have to use a lot. You could use these for stringing as well. That would be really great. So yeah, all of that. So I got the wooden beads, the bugle beads, the shell beads, the tiles, the mosaic tiles, which was an experiment, and then the teardrop cabochons. So I will be using all of this in my next few videos, and if you want to get any of it or see what else they have in the sale, just head over to beebeecraft.com, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.